And he is accompanying delegation, His Excellency the Governor of the Province, the Provincial People's Council, as well as the military of civil authorities. We express our profound pride in your esteemed presence, which should bestow upon this gathering a special significance. We also extend our heartfelt thanks and deep appreciation for your continued support and your constant dedication to advancing the path of development and success. Welcome, and may you be granted success and prosperity.